because Yakeo. Hi guys! My name is Joanna. My sister name is Susanna. Today we're going to do 3-color slime challenge. We're going to do, guys. This is my second slime challenge. I'm excited to do the slime challenge. Started, guys. We have 5-color slime. I like this color slime. We're going to do rainbow color slime. Me and my sister take three colors. In India, we notice Elba's glue. Here is very costly. Here we have only these colors of glues. Now we need to close the eyes and take 3 colors for tiger. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! I got yellow, blue, and I got pink. Close your eyes. Okay, now do. Now take. This was 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4.
3.
She got blue, and she got green, and she got orange. I also got blue. We mixed 3 colors, and finally what color will be, we see. Okay? First I go here. First we need this one. Blue we're going to pour. First I will do, and next I will my sister. Going to press, and let's see which color it will be. Oh shit! I finished. I think this is finished. Take. Next my sister. Yo, me. Okay, I'm going to open myself. Plus. Amor. Sorry, no. It's okay, Charlie. Still finished. Next, pink color. As the eye put it. It's very good making color slime. I just and I see all the videos and I do it. This color slime is easy to do. I learned it from my dad. Small, he will learn slime things along. Yucky. I think it's finished. Next, my sister. Okay. Orange she got. I see what she got. Mimi. Take. And pour. Plus, sister. Plus. You put it orange. She get orange color. Color. Wow. Oh, I got it. Easy to see this color. Now give me now. Earth. What color? Blue and orange that become black color. Next I turn yellow color. Wait for me, Susanna. And I'm going to put off this thing and this one of the color. I like now. I come in yellow color. I think this is seriously. This is crystal clear. I don't know what color I get. Maybe pink I got. After mixing, we'll see, guys. This. Okay. Hey, open up. It's so torturing on my face. Yes, sister. Wow, really nice. Wait, now give me now. Yes, sister. What you doing now? Fossils. Now it's time for mixing, guys. Mix. Now mix time.
Mix.
First, I'm going to mix it. Let's see what color I got it.
Mix.
I think my sister is getting green color. Which color is getting? I got to mix it faster. Green. Black. I think mine is yellow color. My sister's green, mine is yellow. I like yellow. Once I eat yellow ice cream, that tasty. I'm going to have one more pink. I got to try. Yeah, are you sure? Oh, I get it. Oosh. That is the coolest thing on that. That is the cherry. The coming sound also like this. Wow! It's good, guys. I like this slime things. My daddy loves every time slime things dead. But it's going to have one more orange color. Wait. She's going to open it up. Oh my god. Yeah! Put down. I think it's time for mix now. I think it's not coming out of here. Now I got LP restoration. Yeah, that they thought they lied out. They got stick and mixing them guys. Now became pink. My sister became green. I like pinks. Now it's activating time, guys. Yes, for extraction we use for them for activating slime. I'm going to pour myself. Now it's mixing time. I'm going to mix it. Oh, it's clear. Slime is fun. Some more.
Mix.
And now it's just and have something. Yum.
Mix.
I think this is the sticky time.
Mix.
We have some more slime things. Long. Yogurt and charging in two.
Mix and mix.
It's making me so much hungry mixing all it. Oh my god. Slime challenge is interesting. And it's jelly! I'm mixing already. Mix like this and beautifully. And I'm going to mix like this, Jackie. Oh my god, Miss Bambi, Doddy! Oh lol! I got pink color slime. This is so much sticky now. It's like jelly plum. This is so stiff that's not getting down so much. And mine is pink color instead of green color. Hot. Wow, guys, see? It's sticking on my hand, although it's not getting out of here. I don't think it's so much easy to make this slime one, mommy. It's slide and eerie orange shoes too. I need to Marty. See? Rotting. We can make this thing all bigger. Yeah, KO. What? Wow, sister. It's good making slimes already. It will be time for not to be sticky. I like playing with slime only. Pink or green? You like pink color? Thank you guys, my favorite color already. Pink or green? Which color you like? Watch all the slime videos and enjoy and like and subscribe. Comment which color you like, guys. And a sticky color. Thanks for enjoying my slime video. Bye bye, guys. You enjoy full. Thank you to 1,500 subscribers. Watch my videos like this already. I'm not telling you. Hi guys. Shoot. You like it? Oh man. No. Now it's color. Oh my goodness. Bye bye.